Here we have this algebraic fraction. And we know that we're going to add them because of the plus sign right in the middle here. When I look at it, the denominators are different. So I can't just group the like terms in the numerator and just add and done. Can't do that because the denominators are different. So I'm going to use the butterfly method to help me add these algebraic fractions. So how this works is I deal with the 4 and this 3x plus y, right? And then I deal with this 5 and this 5x minus y. So this is what I mean. So I'm going to multiply 4 by 3x plus y. Alright, this 4 with this these terms up here. Put back the big plus sign. And then this 5 with this 5x minus 4y. And that will give me my new numerator. Then for the denominator, new denominator, it's going to be this 5 and this 4. Going to have to multiply them. So 5 times 4. Now is where it gets very interesting. I have to simplify. So remember, when we're simplifying brackets, we use the distributive law. What is on the inside of the brackets, I multiply by what's on the outside of the brackets. So I'm going to have to multiply this 4 with this 3x, this 4 with this 3x, and I'm going to have to do the 4 with this plus y. So watch me now, 4 times 3x gives us 12x, and 4 times y will give us 4y, and that's positive. So I finished with this side. We need to work out this side. The distributive property says whatever is on the inside of the bracket, I'm multiplying it by what's on the outside of the brackets. So this 5 with this 5x. And this 5 again with this minus 4y. You have to watch out for those negative signs. So there's a plus sign here. I'm going to put it back. A 5 times 5x is going to give us 25x. And this positive 5 times a negative 4y will give us a negative 20y. See? So I just expand the brackets at the top in the numerator. Now I can simplify also my denominator. 5 times 4 is 20. Looking good so far. So what I need to do now is to make it more simpler because the numerator have common terms in there. When I look at it, there's an x here, 12x. And when I look, there's a 25x there. And when you look again, there's a positive 4y and there's a minus 20y. So I can group the like terms. Now look at how I'm going to do it. 12x, and I'm bringing the sign and the other x with it. So 12x plus 25x. See the x them the side by side. Now I'm going to move on to the y's. Plus 4y. And then there's minus 20y. So I just brought my like terms together. And I'm putting it all over the denominator of 20. So now I can simplify the 12x and 25x by putting them together and adding them up. 12x plus 25x is going to give me 37x. And I have 4y, but I owe the 20y. Which means when I put it together, I'm still going to owe 16y. And that's all over 20. And that would have been my final answer. So I just added this up top with this. Well, I added those up top to get my final answer. 37x minus 16y all over 20.